Hello children, glad to meet all of you in your Maths online class. I hope you have completed the Maths homework. Students, write homework properly and send it WhatsApp number, okay? Be sure to write and send homework. You will be given a marks based on your homework only. So children, do it properly. I will check your homework daily. So send the homework properly, okay? Listen. Now let's see the continuation of the previous class, okay children? So in the previous class we have studied about in exercise 1.3 questions, okay? So same in exercise 1.3 question number 8. Your question is, which is greater? All of you listen. Your question is, which is greater, the sum of minus 7 upon 10 and 3 upon minus 7, or the sum of minus 1 upon 8 and 15 upon 24 by how much? Okay. So, உனக்கு question என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Which is greater? Which is greater? So, which is greater? The sum of minus 7 upon 10 and 3 upon minus 7, okay? The sum of minus 7 upon 10 and 3 upon minus 7, or the sum of minus 1 upon 8 and 15 upon 24. Here two values are given. So you find out which is greater, okay children? Here two values are given. First one is the sum of minus 7 upon 10 and 3 upon minus 7, and another one is the sum of minus 1 upon 8 and 15 upon 24, okay? Now you choose which is greater. So, what to do? Yes, here only the given in words, okay? So that's why to find the value of the sum of minus 7 upon 10 and 3 upon minus 7, okay children? After you find the value of the sum of minus 1 upon 8 and 15 upon 24. Then after you compare the values, which one is bigger? Yes? Yes. Now, therefore, to find the value of, first to find what? The value of sum of minus 7 upon 10 and 3 upon minus 7. Sum means addition, okay? So, the sum of minus 7 upon 10 and 3 upon minus 7 can be written as minus 7 upon 10 plus 3 upon minus 7. Okay children, are you clear? Here your question is, which is greater? One number is the sum of minus 7 upon 10 and 3 upon minus 7, and another number is the sum of minus 1 upon 8 and 15 upon 24. But we don't know what is the value. So that's why to find the value of sum of minus 7 upon 10 and 3 upon minus 7. Okay. Sum means addition. So that's why it can be written as minus 7 upon 10 plus 3 upon minus 7. Okay. Now we want to find the value of this. So here in addition, denominator have negative sign. Okay. So first of all you convert it. Minus 7 upon 10 plus, here is 3 upon minus 7 is there. So 3 upon minus 7 can be written as minus 3 upon 7. Okay children. Here denominator have negative sign. So it is not a standard form. Okay. So first of all you convert it the standard form. That's why you convert it. Okay. 3 upon minus 7 can be written as minus 3 upon 7. Okay. Now you find the value. In addition, you see the denominators, okay? In addition, you see the denominators. Denominator are same. Then we add the numerators only, okay? But here, the denominator are different. One is 10 and another one is 7. So, yes, we follow the cross multiplication method. Yes, children? That is one more method also there, LCM method, okay? So, now we follow the cross multiplication method. Okay, so now you multiply by cross, minus 7 into 7, okay, minus into plus, minus, 7 sevens are 49, here a sign is plus, next 10 into minus 3, 10 into minus 3. Here plus, here minus. So plus into minus minus. 3 tens are 30. Okay children? Upon. Now you multiply by denominator. 10 sevens are 70. Okay? You see here. To find the value of minus 7 upon 10 plus 3 upon minus 7. In addition, first of all you see the denominators. Okay? Your denominator are same. We add only the numerators. But here, denominator are different. So, you do the cross multiplication method. You find the value of in cross multiplication method. Okay? So, minus 7 into 7. You multiply by cross. Minus 7 into 7, minus 49, plus minus 3 into 10, minus 30, upon 10 sevens are 70. Okay children? Are you clear? Yes. Now you add minus 49 plus minus 30. In addition, if the integers having same sign, find the sum and put the same sign. Okay? So that's why minus 49 plus minus 49 minus 30 is equal to minus 79 upon 70. Okay children? Here the integers having negative sign. Okay? So that's why we add the absolute value and put the same sign. So that's why 49 plus 30 is equal to 79. Your sign is minus. So minus 49 minus 30 is equal to your answer is minus 79 upon 70. Okay? Are you clear? Yes. So the value of minus 7 upon 10 plus 3 upon minus 7 is equal to minus 79 upon 70. Okay? So next to find the value of the sum of minus 1 upon 8 and 15 upon 24. So next to find what? The sum of minus 1 upon 8 and 15 upon 24. Okay. So it can be written as minus 1 upon 8 plus 15 upon 24. Okay children. First to find the value of this. Then after. Now we have to find the value of minus 1 upon 8 plus 15 upon 24. Okay. Now we find the value. Minus 1 upon 8 plus 15 upon 24. Okay. In addition, first of all, you see the denominator. Your denominator are different. Okay. So, let us do the cross multiplication method. Okay. So, you multiply by cross. Minus 1 into 24. Minus into plus minus. 1 into 24. 24. So, that's why minus 1 into 24 is equal to minus 24. Plus 15 8s are. 15 8s are how much? 120. Okay. 15 8s are 120 upon multiply by denominator. Okay. So that's why 8 into 24. 24 8s are 4 8s are 32. 3 carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 3 19. So your answer is 192. Okay children. We multiply by cross multiplication method. Minus 1 into 24 minus 24 plus 15 8s are 120 upon 192. Okay. Now what is the answer? Minus 24 plus 120. Here integers have opposite sign. Yes. One is positive and another one is negative. So if the integers having opposite sign, we find the difference and put the greater value sign. Yes children. So difference mean greater number to smaller number. So 120 minus 24 how much? 0 minus 4 is possible. So you come to here borrow. Okay. We get borrow. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So next is 1 minus 2 is impossible. So you come to here borrow. We get borrow. Okay. So 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. So your answer is 96 upon 192 plus value only. Okay. So 96 upon 192. 120 minus 24 is 96. Your positive value. That's a greater number value is positive. So that's why your answer is 96 upon 192. Okay. So it is a standard form? No. Here numerator and denominator have common factors are there. Okay. Then you find the common factors and divide. 8th table is possible? Yes. 1 8 is 8, 16, 2 8s are 16, okay. Here, how many 8s are there? 192 divided by 8. 2 8s are 16, so 32, 4. So your answer is 24 8s are 192, okay. Now 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24. So your answer is 1 upon 2. So your answer is 1 upon 2. Okay children? Are you clear? Yes. Now you compare. Which one is positive? Sorry, which one is greater? First value is minus 79 upon 70 and second value is 1 upon 2. Okay. So, which one is greater? Surely the greater value is 1 upon 2. Why? It is positive rational number, okay. Comparing positive and negative, positive value only bigger value, okay children. Eppovume positive value vayum negative value vayum compare panna edu namalukku big? Positive only big. So surely 1 upon 2 is greater. So 1 upon 2 means minus 1 upon 8 plus 15 upon 24. Yes children, the value of minus 1 upon 8 plus 15 upon 24 only 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is bigger. So the sum of, therefore, sum of minus 1 upon 8 plus 15 upon 24 is greater. Clear? Clear children? Your question is, which is greater? Which is greater? Two values are given. Sum of minus 7 upon 10 plus 3 upon minus 7 or sum of minus 1 upon 8 and 15 upon 24. So that's why you to find the value of this value. Sum of minus 7 upon 10 and 3 upon minus 7. Answer is minus 79 upon 70. And sum of minus 1 upon 8 and 15 upon 24 value is 1 upon 2. So surely 1 upon 2 is greater. Why? This is a positive value. So sum of minus 7 upon 10 minus 1 upon 8 plus 15 upon 24 is greater. Okay. So next, by how much? எவ்வளவு அது இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிரு, எவ்வளவு நம்மளுக்கு என்ன இருக்கு, கிரேட்டராக இருக்கு. அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? One more question is there. By how much? எவ்வளவு அது கிரேட்டராக இருக்கு. So yes, you subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Okay children? So next to find what is the value? Bigger. Subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Bigger number is 1 upon 2 and second, that is smaller number is minus 17 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 minus 79 upon 70. So next to find the value of 1 upon 2 minus 79 upon 70. Okay. Now we find the value. Find the value. Here no space. So students, you write it in your classwork note up to this. All of you take your classwork note. Exercise 1.3. Okay. 8th question. Students, I have no space. So you write it in your classwork note up to this. Okay. All of you take your classwork note. Write today's day and date. Okay. So you start the question 8. Which is greater? The sum of minus 7 upon 10 and 3 upon minus 7 or the sum of minus 1 upon 8 and 15 upon 24. By how much? Okay. So you to find the value of minus 7 upon 10 plus 3 upon minus 7. Then after to find the value of this. Okay. You write it up to here. Write fast children. This question is not finished. Okay. So now write it in your classwork note. 8th question in exercise 1.3, 8th question. Write the question neatly. Okay. Which is greater? The sum of minus 7 upon 10 and 3 upon minus 7 or the sum of minus 1 upon 8 and 15 upon 24. By how much? Find the value and write it which one is greater. Right, children? Write neatly. Only calculation only, okay? But question is very very easy. உனக்கு கொஸ்டின் வந்து ரெண்டு வேல்யூவை கொடுத்து இதில் எது கிரேட்டர் அப்படின்னு தான் கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு அந்த சம் ஆஃப் -7/10 and 3/-7 வேல்யூவையும் சம் ஆஃப் -1/8 and 15/24 வேல்யூவையும் கண்டுபிடிச்சி என்ன செய்யணும் எது பிக்கர் எது ஸ்மாலர்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் சரியா. ஸோ ஹியர் பாசிட்டிவ் வேல்யூ ஒன்லி பிக்கர். ஸோ தேர்ஃபோர் த சம் ஆஃப் -1/8 and 15/24 ஒன்லி கிரேட்டர். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். But one more question also is there. By how much? So that's why to find the value of subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Okay. I hope you have written. Yes. Now the continuation of same question. Next to find what is the value. First one value sum of your question is sum of -7/10 and 3/-7 value is how much? -79/70. Okay. So bigger number is 1/2. So 1/2 minus 79/70. Okay children. Now we find the value 1/2 minus -79/70. Here this is addition. Sorry, subtraction. Yes. So in subtraction what to do? என்ன செய்வோம் மைனஸை ப்ளஸ்ஸாக சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படிதானா. அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும் we add the additive inverse. Yes children. We add the additive inverse of say this integer, this rational number. Yes. So 1/2 minus is in plus. That time you put the additive inverse. Additive inverse of -79/70 is 79/70. Okay. Additive inverse means என்ன செய்யணும் only sign மட்டும்தான் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன ஆகும் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும் சரியா. ஸோ the additive inverse of -79/70 is equal to 79/70. Okay. So you see this is a subtraction. So in subtraction we add the additive inverse of the rational number to be subtracted to the other rational number. Okay. So that's why we add the additive inverse. So 1/2 plus that time you put the additive inverse. So additive inverse of -79/70 is 79/70. Okay children. Additive inverse is the rational number of the same magnitude as the given rational number but with the opposite sign. Okay. Minus means plus, plus means minus. Okay. So then now what to do? In addition, so you see the denominator are different. Okay. So we follow the cross multiplication method. Okay children. So 170 is 70 plus 79 twos are 79 twos are 158. Okay, 79 twos are 158 upon 270s are 140. Okay, yes. Now you add 70 plus 158. 228 upon 140. 228 upon 140. Yes, children? Okay. Now it is not a standard form. So, divide it. Okay. So, you find the common factor. Which one is the common factor? It is surely divided by 2. Yes, children? Yes. So, divided by 2. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. 7 2s are 14. 70. Okay. Again, you divided by 2. 5 2s are 10. 14. 17. So, 57. Then, divided by 2. 3 2s are 6. 5. That is 5. So, your answer is 57 upon 35. Okay. Are you clear? So, your question, that's the 8th question continuation. What is given? By how much? So, by how much mean? Subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Okay, children? So, that's why you find the value of 1 upon 2 minus 79 upon 70. Okay. So, this is subtraction. So, in subtraction, we have to change the sign. That time, you put the additive inverse. Okay. We add the additive inverse of the rational number to be subtracted to the other rational number. So, that's why 1 upon 2 minus sign into plus. That time, you put the additive inverse. So, additive inverse of minus 79 upon 70 is 79 upon 70. Okay. Now, you see the fraction. In addition, see the denominator. Okay. Denominator are different means we add only the numerators. But here, the denominator are different. Okay. So, we follow the cross multiplication method. Okay. Otherwise, we find in the LCM method. Okay, children. So, 1 into 70, 70 plus 2 17s are 158 upon 2 70s are 140. Okay. 70 plus 158 is 228 upon 140. Here numerator and denominator between common factors are there. Okay. So, you find the common factors and divide it. Okay, children. So, your final answer is 57 upon 35. So, the second by how much is increased? The second by 57 upon 35 is greater. Okay. Clear? Yes. You write it. Continue the classwork. This is same question. Only continuation only. Okay. Next to find. You write the value. Next to find. 1 upon 2 minus 79 upon 70. This is not another question, children. This is a continuation of 8th question. Write it in your classwork note. Write fast. Write beautifully and accurately, okay? And write without error. That is mistakes, okay? Write without mistakes. Okay, I hope you have written. Now the second question, the next question, okay? Ninth one, add the product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3 to the product of to the product of 3 upon 16 and 4 upon minus 15. Okay. Listen children, your question is add the product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3 to the product of minus 3 upon 16 and 4 upon minus 15. Okay, very easy. First you understand the question. Add the product of, okay, the product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3 to the product of minus 3 upon 16 and 4 upon minus 5. So, என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க உன்னோட question? Add பண்ணணும். எதெல்லாம் add பண்ணணும்? Product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3 கூட எதை add பண்ணணும்? Minus 3 upon 16 and 4 upon minus 5. Okay? Do you understand? உன்னோடது add question. எது கூட எதை add பண்ணணும்? Product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3 to the product of minus 3 upon 16 and 4 upon minus 5. Okay children? So, we find the value of product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3. சரியா? இது கூட இந்த ஆன்சரை நம்ம ஆட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ அப்போ இதோட ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படிதானா? ஸோ what to do? Product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3. It can be written as to find product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3. Its product means multiplication. Okay. So that's why to find the value of minus 2 upon 5 into 1 upon 3. Okay children. Are you clear? உன்னோட question என்னது? Add the product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3 to the product of minus 3 upon 16 and 4 upon minus 5. Okay. That's why first of all to find the value of product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3. So, product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3, it can be written as product mean multiplication. Okay. So, that's why minus 2 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 3. Okay. Are you clear now? Yes. Now, what is the value of minus 2 upon 5 into 1 upon 3? This is a multiplication. Okay. So, in multiplication, we multiply by numerator and denominator by denominator. Okay children? First of all you check anything common factors in between numerator and denominator. Okay? Any common factors are there? No. So we multiply by numerator. Okay? So minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus into plus minus 2 into 1 2. Okay? Upon now next one is multiply by denominator. So 5 3s are 15. So your answer is minus 2 upon 15. Okay. So next to find the value of, next to find the product of minus 3 upon 16 and 4 upon minus 15. Okay. So it can be written as product mean multiplication. So minus 3 upon 16 multiply 4 upon minus 15. Okay children? Are you clear? Product mean multiplication. So, the product of minus 3 upon 16 and 4 upon minus 15, it can be written as minus 3 upon 16 multiply 4 upon minus 15. Okay. Now, we find the value minus 3 upon 16 into 4 upon minus 15. Okay. Now you see that any common factors in between numerator and denominator? Yes. Is there? Yes. 1 3 is 3. 5 3s are 15. 1 4 is 4. And 4 4s are 16. Yes children? Yes. Now you remaining numerator. Here minus 1. Here is plus 1. So now you multiply numerator by numerator. Okay. So minus 1 into 1. Minus 1 upon 4 into minus 5. 4 into minus 5. How much? Minus 5 fours are 20. Minus minus cancel. So your answer is 1 upon 20. Okay children. So your answer is 1 upon 20. Now, next. Your question is not completed. Yes children. Now you find the value of only product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3. The value is minus 2 upon 15. And the product of 3 upon minus 6 and 4 upon minus 5, 15 value is 1 upon 20. Okay. But your question is add the product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3 and minus 3, product of minus 3 upon 16 and 4 upon minus 15. Okay. So next to find add addition. We want to find the value of these two. We have to add these two values. Yes. Minus 2 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20. Okay. So to find add the product. So value of product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3. What is the value? Minus 2 upon 15 plus the product of minus 3 upon 16 and 4 upon minus 15 value is 1 upon 20. Okay. Now we find the value minus 2 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20 is equal to, you see that in the addition, you see the denominator have different numbers. Okay. So that's why we follow the cross multiplication method. Okay children. So minus 20 into 20, minus 2 into 20, minus 40 plus 15 only 15 upon 15 twos are 300. Okay. Children listen carefully. Okay, first of all you find the value of product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3 value, that is minus 2 upon 15. Next to find the value of product of minus 3 upon 16 and 4 upon minus 15, that value is 1 upon 20. Okay, now your question is addition. So we have to add these two answer. Okay children. So that's why to find minus 2 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20. Here in addition, so you see the denominator are different numbers. So we follow the LCM method or cross multiplication method. Okay. But here I am following which method? Cross multiplication method. Okay. So minus 2 into 20 minus 40 plus 115 is 15 upon multiply by denominator. So that's why 15 into 20 is equal to your answer is 300. Okay. Now we find the value of minus 40 plus 15. How much? Minus. Here is if the integers having negative sign. One is positive, another one is negative. Okay. So find the difference and put the greater value sign. Yes children. So here is 40 minus 15. How much? 40 minus 15. 25. Okay. So minus 25. Why? Here greater value is 40. So that's why our answer is minus 25 upon 300. Okay. It is not a standard form. Why? Numerator and denominator have common factors. Okay. So you find the common factors and divide it. Okay. What is the common factors? Surely it is divided by 5. Yes children. 5 5s are 25. 65s are 300. Okay. Again 1 5 is 5. 12 5s are 60. So the remaining answer here minus 1 and denominator have 12. So your answer is minus 1 upon 12. Okay. Okay children. Do you understand? Yes. Now you take a classwork note and write it. Okay. Write the question 9th one. Add the product of minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3 to the product of 3 upon minus 16 and 4 upon minus 15. Okay. First to write this part. First you write this part. After you write this part. Okay children. Idu eludi mudicha piravu idu eludhu. Okay. Are you clear? First to write these two values. First to find these two values. After you find addition. Okay. இது எழுதி முடிச்ச பிறகு அதை எழுத ஆரம்பி. ரைட் ஃபாஸ்ட். Write fast, children. Write without mistakes, okay? The positive sign, negative signs is there. So you write carefully. Okay, children, the next question. Tenth question. Subtract the quotient of minus 4 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 5 from minus 4 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 5 from the quotient of 2 upon 3 divided by minus 6 upon 9. Okay, so you see the question, listen carefully. Subtract, okay, subtract the quotient of minus 4 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 5 from the quotient of 2 upon 3 divided by minus 6 upon 9. Okay, so that's why you find the value of quotient of minus 4 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 5 and to find the value of 2 upon 3 divided by minus 6 upon 9. Okay, children, so you find minus 4 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 5. Okay, so minus 4 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 5 is equal to, this is division, so we have to change in multiplication. Yes, children, so multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, so you write the first dividend minus 4 upon 5 multiply the reciprocal of the divisor. So now divided symbol, division symbol into multiplication, that time you put the reciprocal. Okay, so multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. So what is the reciprocal of 1 upon 5? 5 upon 1. Okay, children, the reciprocal of 1 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 1. Now you multiply. In multiplication, first you check that numerator, denominator have common factors. Yes, here 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5. Then remaining you multiply. Okay, so minus 4 into 1, minus 4, denominator have 1. So your answer is how much? Minus 4. Minus 4 upon 1 is equal to minus 4 only. Okay, so next to find Next to find, what is the value? The quotient of 2 upon 3 divided by minus 6 upon 9. Okay, children? So, next to find 2 upon 3 divided by minus 6 upon 9. 2 upon 3 divided by minus 6 upon 9 is equal to same. This is also division operation. So, now you convert into multiplication. That time you put the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay. Multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. So, minus 6 upon 9. What is the reciprocal? Minus 9 upon 6. Okay, children. 2 upon 3 divided by minus 6 upon 9 is equal to 2 upon 3. Now division sign into multiplication. That time you put the reciprocal. Okay. எப்போமே divisionல இருந்து multiply change பண்ணும்போது நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? Divisorோட reciprocal போட்டு multiply பண்ணணும். So that's why 2 upon 3 into the reciprocal of minus 6 upon 9 is equal to minus 9 upon 6. Okay. Now you anything common factors? Yes. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So the remaining how much is there? You numerator have here 1, here minus 3. So 1 into minus 3, minus 3 upon here 1 3 is 3. So you cancel. Okay. Here also 3 3 cancel. Okay. The remaining here 1, here also minus 1. So minus 1 upon 1. So your answer is minus 1. Minus 1 upon 1. Answer is minus 1 only. Okay, children? Yes. Now you see the question. Subtract the quotient of. So the value of quotient value is how much is there? Minus 4. From the quotient of 2 upon 3 divided by minus 6 upon 9. How much? Minus 9. So therefore, to find, say the question, say the answer. என்ன செய்யணும்? இதில் இருந்து இதை sub பண்ணணும். Subtract the quotient. How much? Minus 4. Subtract minus 4 from how much? Minus 1. Okay. So, minus 1 minus 4. Yes, children? என்ன செய்யணும்? உன்னோட கொஸ்டினை நல்லா கவனி. Subtract the quotient. இதோட ஆன்சர் என்ன உனக்கு? Minus 4. From இதோட ஆன்சர் என்ன? மைனஸ் 1. ஸோ ஃப்ரம்ங்கிறதுனால என்ன செய்யணும்? மைனஸ் 1ல் இருந்து தான் மைனஸ் 4 சப் பண்ணணும். மைனஸ் 1ல் இருந்து மைனஸ் 4 சப் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகே. ஸோ மைனஸ் 1 minus 4 is equal to, now this is a subtraction. So you convert into addition. Okay. So minus 1 minus into plus. That time you put the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of 4? Minus 4, sorry. What is the additive inverse of 4? Minus 4, yes? So, your answer is minus 1 plus minus 4, minus 5. Okay, children? Sorry. Here minus 4, yes? So, minus of minus 4. Sorry. You see that? Your answer is quotient of minus 4 upon 5 divided 1 upon 5 is minus 4. Okay. The quotient of 2 upon 3 divided by minus 6 upon 9 answer is minus 1. Okay. Your question is subtract minus 4 from minus 1. Your question subtract minus 4 from minus 1. So that's why minus 1 minus minus 4. Okay, children. Now we find the value. You see here subtraction. So we add the additive inverse of to be subtract the rational number. Okay. So minus 1. Now you change the sign. Minus into plus. That time you put the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of minus 4? Minus plus 4. Okay. So minus 4 plus 4 is equal to your answer is 3. Okay. Are you clear? Yes. Now, so that's why your answer is 3. Okay. Now write it in your classwork note. 10th question. Subtract the quotient of minus 4 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 5 from the quotient of 2 upon 3 divided by minus 6 upon 9. Okay. First to find the value of quotient of minus 4 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 5, and to find the value of quotient of 2 upon 3 divided by minus 6 upon 9. Then after you subtract. Okay children? Yes. Do it. Write neatly. Do it fast. Children, all of you take your book. Page number 25. Page number 25. Question number 7 and 8. Your homework is page number 25. Question number 7 and 8. Okay. So do the sums in your homework note. Okay children? Do yourself. Okay. So we will see in the next class. Thank you.